Navigating the shortest path, how a asterisk algorithm guides your journey. Imagine you're planning the quickest route to your friend's house. The roads form a network, each turn, a decision point. This is where a asterisk algorithm shines. A asterisk doesn't just guess, it cleverly combines real distances with smart guesses, ensuring the path it picks is efficient and fast. Consider it a navigator with a map and intuition. It looks at the actual roads ahead and estimates what's unseen, guiding you perfectly. Why is a asterisk so cool? It's like having a local guide who knows the shortcuts and traffic, optimizing your journey every step. It balances between what it knows for sure and what it thinks is best, making it incredibly reliable for path-finding in complex networks. Whether it's navigating cities or solving puzzles, a asterisk algorithm is the silent hero, ensuring you reach your destination in the smartest way possible. In essence, a asterisk illuminates the path not just to your friend's house but through any maze of choices, making every journey an optimized adventure.